Good job, bro. Look at her. Good job. Come over here. Come here. Hey, buddy, look at your sister. Here she comes. Bonk. This way. Back it up. Atta girl. Where are you going? Look at, she's steering it too. Oh, we're gonna get over the rug. Get over the rug. You know what's nice about this too is she can't pick up everything off the floor. What are you doing?